Hi, my name is Casey and I am the founder of Amplifier. It is my pleasure to be giving you a run through of what to expect for your upcoming event. This is the page that you will see once you sign in. And in the center, we see some controls that you would expect. You can add a background blur as well as change your microphone, video, or speaker settings. If we look to the left hand side, this is where you put information that other people will see about you. Now the whole purpose of Amplifier is to help you build meaningful connections, so adding a little bit of extra detail here goes a long way on the relationships you can build. Of course, once you go through the basic stuff, you'll land at hashtags. This is a great way for you to be able to filter large amounts of people down to those that are most aligned. Here we can actually see that there are a few people that have already joined the event. I resonate with customer success, so I'm going to add that to my profile as well. However, there's some that I don't see that I would like. For example, I'd like to have one around UI UX. Cool, we're ready to jump into the event. Let's go. Welcome to the event. The green tiles are placeholders for other attendees that will be joining. In the top corner, we can see the total amount of people that are currently on. And on the right hand side, we can see the full list of these attendees. This is important because this is how you'll decide on who you want to network with. You can search and filter based on their name or even hashtags. And once you decide on who you want to talk to, star or drag them up into your priority list. The host will then push you into breakout rounds for networking, and these will be the people you get to talk to. In the bottom corner, we have controls that you'd expect, such as changing your audio, video, or even setting a background blur. Let's jump into our first breakout. Cool. Just as planned, we had upvoted Jordan on the side, and now we're talking to Jordan. Let's do it. Of course, being a demo, this is shorter than the conversations you will probably have. At 10 seconds, it will fade to black, and this is a nice way to wrap up and transition into the next conversation. And just as planned, now we're talking to Peyton, the second person that we had upvoted. In this demo, this will be the last person we talk to. There we go, in a conversation with Peyton. Now, at any point, you can return to the homeroom or leave the event, as well as continue upvoting other people into your priority list. And now we're back in the main room with the host. Thank you for watching this demo. I hope you make some incredible connections.